Hey guys, this is Karpaya again, and in the last video I was talking about the prerequisites for learning linked list concept, and I forgot to mention one of them, which is dynamic memory allocation. You need to know some basic functions like malloc, calloc and all, and we'll be using malloc function. You need to Google about them, and I'll talk about them when I'm doing the programming part. I still have some small concepts to be explained. I'll explain them to you. So yes, I was talking about linked list. The starting, I just started out saying what's the difference between a normal list and how a linked list comes up. The implementation list, if you implement using arrays, that's just normal, and there are many disadvantages in it. And linked list, the dynamic memory allocation is there in that. So when you implement lists using the dynamic memory allocation concept, it's linked lists. We use pointers and other things. They say implementation using pointers. So yes, what is linked list? I didn't define it. It's a collection of nodes. And what is linked list ADT? Combination of linked list and the operations on it is called linked list ADT. So linked list is a collection of nodes. What is a node? A node is a combination of data and a field which has a link to another node. I said a linked list is a collection of nodes, so each node should be linked to each other. I mean, not each other actually speaking. There should be a link to the node so that I can have it as a collection. So how do I link them? So each node will have a link to another node, and I'll explain the concept behind that, the basic concept, using some example. So a node is a collection of data and a field, address field. So it's like a record and a field. Two fields are there, a record and an address field. This record will contain some information, and this address field, I'll tell you why it's called the address field. I have some explanations to do, so I'll just take it from me for now. So there are two fields, one is data and another is a link to another node. So each node will have a link to another node, and if I know one of the nodes, I can get to other nodes through a single node. And how do I explain this using some example? I hope you have played a treasure hunt when you were young. People still play. If you don't know what's treasure hunt, yeah, I'll tell you what it is. It's a game where the player is given a chit or a paper, a bit of paper. It has a clue in it, and this clue, it's just a piece of text on this paper. So this text, it denotes a place, like it might be some the name of place. Like I can say Karpaya's study table, and so the player has to go to that place and find the next clue. So the first clue given to the player is a clue where the next bit of paper can be found out, and the next bit of paper will give you another clue, and so on. So he'll be just given one bit of paper. So I have an example actually speaking. Just a minute.